We here at Mosaicist Inc. make our own material. We manufacture our raw material ourselves. We manufacture high-end materials such as Smalti. We're one of the few companies in the world that makes this material. We manufacture over 1,000 colors of this material. It allows us the freedom to make high-end artistic works. We also make Venetian glass, which starts off at 10 millimeter by 10 millimeter, also all the way up to 2 inch by 2 inch square tile that we also manufacture.